Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are going to show you a quick and easy way to type the X bar symbol in Microsoft Excel. This is very useful when you are working on statistics or math formulas. First, open your Excel spreadsheet and click anywhere on the sheet where you want to start. Next, navigate to the Insert tab at the top of your screen. Look towards the far right, click on Equation, and then select Insert New Equation from the drop-down menu. You will notice an equation box appears on your sheet, and a new equation tab opens at the top of the window. In this new tab, find the Accent button. Click it, and you will see a list of different accent marks. Choose the bar option, which is usually located near the top. A small box with a bar over it will now appear in your equation area. Simply click inside that small dashed box and type the letter X. There you have it. If you want to change the font style, just highlight your new symbol, go to the Home tab, and click the italic button to remove the slant. You can also adjust the font size from the Home tab to make it fit perfectly with your other data. That is the simplest way to add the X bar symbol to your spreadsheets. If this guide helped you, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more quick and professional tech tutorials. See you in the next one.